something new is coming to the University of Maryland. The Cinema and Media Studies program is proud to introduce our new production track, a hands-on, collaborative pathway for students who want to make films, craft stories, and shape the future of visual media. In this track, students dive into cinematography, editing, directing, and more. They work with professional-grade equipment, learn industry-standard workflows, and build a portfolio of projects that showcase their voice and vision. From short films to digital content, students gain the experience needed to thrive in today's creative landscape. And along the way, they join a community of artists, thinkers, and storytellers who support and inspire one another. If you're ready to create bold work, explore new ideas, and bring your stories to life, the production track is waiting for you. Discover what you can make at UMD.